the boyfriend and the boy now put the ring on my finger. I never believe in marriage, but me want the ring now. What you say? Me want the ring, me I get old. Me need a man when me and him can get old together. Me no want old and a bounce bout. Me no want old and a move from man to man. Me can't bother with that. Me no want them the life there for myself. And I don't want to be old and lonely. Me no want to be old. And if I take Rosa put on my old clip, me cannot bother with that. Me want one man when me and him can hold together. You do so much for a boyfriend and they still don't turn you into wife. Why are women so stupid? So no ring for you because we're going to miss you. No, don't say that you're mad. Them time them must say me stop begging, you know. I go come over here, come talk to you, no look a bit. You get what me I say? Them time them come and ask me go live, me I make sure some hands stay right here, so no can see you ring. I come over here and go so no can know some. No sir. So no can know say I'm married. I want to cook. I want to cook. I want to get up and do breakfast. I want to ensure that my man come home, come get a hot meal. I want to do dinner. You get what me I say? I want to go shopping. Don't ever me tell you beside shit. I want to be wife now. Like I want married. Eh? Me want to marry. No, me don't know. Me know you love contact. So me I tell you say no, me tap take people man. Me I go married. Where I say you no can't blow my bubble because me know that she can say you will get ring by the end of this year. And if I don't get a ring by the end of this year, it's because I am single. I am not going to be in no relationship with no more man and I don't get a ring. It's a come for your birthday. Well, we in a March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 9 months. But I don't know over here predict my future. Chat to see mackerel. Of course, me taking people them man and I no joke thing. What you mean? Me not taking people them man. And sometimes I feel sorry. Boy, I don't know ya. I beg God my karma is not bad. But do that I'm proud. Remember say me did young, you know. I remember say me no ugly, me no shape body, you know. And the boy them lie and wicked no blood clot. I'm out here busy. My mommy did have stiff breasts. I never have no pitney. I'm out here, me I live my modest life. I'm never curious me I take the people them man. But me I get old now. I'm a Saji. Me I get old now. So I'm not doing that anymore. Remember say me have son, you know. Why anytime I say me take people man, people take me for joke? I actually take people man. Not even people man like people husband. I wonder if them someday let me cast curse by me. Them someday we can't curse by you, you know. You know me I go pull out my ear. They say me not go style what up but me and style but me I pull out my ear. Me think me I go do the bow over it. I pull out my ear man. I pull out my ear. Maybe install 1 week for 1 week. Hi Mona, how are you? Where big pussy mackerel stop walk and watch me? Mackerel, yeah. Mackerel no nice. And mackerel out here have our own man. I mean out here take people man. That no look good a bumbo clot. Mackerel them can't even. Mackerel them don't even know if to keep them blood clot home. And mackerel them out here have them own man. I mean out here take people man. You're crazy. Me not doing that shit. I am getting old now. And I always the people them man want bumbo clot control you. Me not a man control me where I have no woman. And then make every meet you look, you see girl comment on my page about them man. And them girl are so sick. You no can't even hold the boy them and lick them in them blood clad face, but you don't want come argue with me. And them something they piss me off, you know. When you look girl in my inbox every minute, bomb man and cocky, I'm not born with cocky. And it piss me off. And every minute you know dip on my page just start me like you don't want to fuck me. Go control you no dirty man when you have no man them where you go no problem. Don't come over here come go like you don't want to control me. Because you can't control no man. So no girl come over here come control me. I don't joke. Remember say I know the lady now come from my page come cause no problem, you know. Because when she come over here I go on real bad. I don't control your man. Them say you are show up. Show up where? No, me not educated. Remember say me never graduate from high school. I never graduate from high school. Me never get no subject. Me get kicked out of school where education have to do with this. Me not educated. Me come over here come tell nobody say me have education. I got kicked out of high school. Does that makes you feel better? I have no education. Okay, where education I go? So now it's time. You say me back to school? Are you sending me back to school? I cannot spell school. You say since you're so concerned, Melly Mel, do you want to send me back to school? What do you want me to go to school to study? Do you want to send me back to school since you're so fucking concerned? I don't know and I don't care. Since you're so concerned, do you want to send me back to school? You care so much about my education. Educate yourself, come and look for benefits. What type of benefits? What you know about my education background? Are you did send me to school? Where you care if me have education? Huh? Where you care about me education? Or you so concerned? Are you named Peggy? Are you named Peggy? Me see man out here married to blood clot dons. So leave me alone. Me say I don't have no education. What kind of benefit man could I look from me? Julie came with blood clot because I don't know if I sell pussy, I not sell no crutches. Me not work under pressure. I believe say when man buy your crutches, I believe say when man buy your crutches, them a go want to enjoy their money's worth. I mean, I sell no boy no crutches because I feel like if you push your hood too far, I feel like say if you do something I want you to stop, you have to stop. I give you some crutches. I like you, I give you some old. Me don't sell you no crutches. Me not care who wants to sell pussy. Me not selling mine. Bumbo clot Melly. Like how you're so concerned about me education. Somebody in the chat knows about my education my education level. Please to tell me, please me I beg you. Please to tell Melly, since you're so concerned, somebody tell her for me, please. Please, Melly. I graduated from high school with 8 CXC subjects. I went back to evening class. I did 4. I got 2. I have 1. I think I have about, because since you want to know, I have 1. I have about 4 2s, and the rest of them are 3. When I was working my 9 to 5, my boss sent me back to school to the business management. My boss wanted to send me back to college. 1 pen. Want more? I can look for you when me come off alive here later. No, she want to know, so I go tell her, pretty girl, I realize you're concerned about my education. Are you employed? I major in business. Okay? I am very good with customer service. I even have a customer service certificate. I am very good with that. I am good in business management. Okay, ma'am? I used to be a manager a warehouse manager at Jamaica Bedding, you know. I used to wear a nice uniform. I used to spin in chair. I used to sign out papers. I used to do a lot of computer work. No, the girl concerned, Julie K, the girl concerned, leave her. No, sometimes some people really concerned about you, you know. When I go back to school, pretty girl, me never get kicked out of school. I was a prefect in high school. I was well brought up. You understand what I say? Girl, when I come up, I never give my mother no man problem. I can promise you that. My mother never have to walk a search with my pussy on no roadside. My mother never take my pussy out of no boy house. If Peggy is here, she can tell you. My mother never have a man problem with me. Me never did hide and take no cocky. My mother never have no man problem with me. I start to become rebellious when I left school. You understand what I say? Yes, my mother never have no man problem. She never da fi walk a search for me. She never da fi walk a pick up my pum pum come on before me. I was never a bad child. Me still not a bad child, but me get, you know what? I see him for putty. Me do some look of fuckery. What you want? I want you to send me back to school. You know, so because I couldn't balance wood and book at the same time, I choose one. Yes, Melly, you want to send me back to school? Send me back to school. What you want me to go to school to do? You can't see your breath, you can't hear how you talk. Good evening, kid. She wants a bachelor degree. Bumbleclot. Why? But your mouth bust when you're ready. I think nails are... Miss me now go to school go do that. What do you woman? When me go to school learn to do nails and ear for, did you know that I can do ear very well? Then if that you want me go to school go do melly where you better waste your money for? Me can buy the certificate, me know if you do ear and nails, nobody waste your money. Me think you want to go make me study law. You understand? The lady just want a conversation. That's true. What thing though? Nah, look on her. Mel, go on now. In Jesus' name, go on. Go on, pretty girl. I'm not going to be rude. Go. She want to know all about. What she want to know all about me? Just go on, nice girl. Nice, pretty girl. Go. I'm fine. My mother tried, and I think I'm big enough to finish what she had left off. Where shall I add me for girl? Me not bring you up in my box. What? You know, see a sex talk over here. I'm a business girl. Me I play one song she no want hear. Wait. Watch me and her. Make sure run. Me not add in